New for 2018, AirRide is pleased to show you this new air suspension kit for the VW Amarok. This is a Dunlop kit, and as with all Dunlop kits, it comes with extensive instructions, is fully road legal, and is covered by our 5-year warranty. There are also a number of options for inflation, ranging from the basic Schrader valve right up to compressor-based systems. Dunlop kits are made from 5mm laser cut and computer folded steel, which is then electroplated for durability under the vehicle. Also includes the hose for plumbing it, and this particular kit has triple convoluted airbags. It's also fully inclusive of all the bolts and cable ties that you need, and these kits are bolt-on. They're made by Dunlop Systems and Components, and they're sold by airride.co.uk. Please check out our website for management systems and for other kits.